Forget about brokers when you want to start trading. Yes, forget about brokers. The truth is, if you want to go into Forex trading, you have to do a lot of things. It's not just as people advertise it on YouTube, posting it and telling people that Forex trading is something direct and straightforward. No, I'm going to take you through 5 steps that I think every beginner I have gone through, and I think every beginner should go through those steps to become a good trader. Just as a beginner, and don't mistake it, intermediate is a whole different level. Go and research. Yes, I said go and research. I know you're feeling bad, I said go and research. Yes, go and research. In every investment, before you make any money, you have to understand that you have to work hard. When I say working hard, not necessarily breaking your back, but sometimes you have to do the research. You have to learn. Forex trading is not just like one of those incentive schemes that you just put yourself in there and then just make it. That's not what it is. When it comes to Forex, you have to understand the core. You have to understand what moves the market. You have to understand the currencies, which currency pairs you want to work with, and what moves them. So you don't just jump into the Forex market and say, hey, I want to make money. No, you have to understand that anything that gives you money, you need to put a lot into it. You have to do a lot of research and educate yourself and look at Forex, which is something that can retire you very early. You should know that a lot should go in there. Forget that's money you want to put into the Forex market. Just forget it, because you know nothing for you to make anything out of that market. What you're going to do with that money is you just want to gamble. That money is definitely going to go down the drain. Don't put money in the Forex market as a beginner. The first thing you should do, or the second thing you should do, is work and play around demo. Look, everything in this world, understand it that they are there for a reason. So when you think you are wiser than the people who brought Forex, I know some people will say they are wiser. Don't worry, the market will teach you something small. You think you are wise, so you want to put your money in there, and then you're not going to do demo because you think demo are for dumb people. No, the Forex market is a business. It's something serious. The people who put it together to make money. So when you come in and they have the steps there and the demo is there, and some YouTube guru is telling you forget about demo, that wouldn't be wise. You have to play around the demo. You know how much time it went into it for creating demo accounts, for you to be able to create demo accounts. Those people weren't insane to do that. No, they did it for you to learn. The next point is not for you to put the money in there. I know you want to put your money in there. Now, there's something very critical that you will need when you are coming to start investing and putting your money in there. That is risk management. You need to learn risk management. I'm going to do a video about risk management on its own, because risk management is a whole thing on its own when it comes to Forex. So what should you do? Learn risk management. Risk management is not about you saying that I want to spend 1% of my account and all that. No, it's more than just that. It's about you have to know the lot size you are going to use. You have to know the number of pips you are risking, and that number of pips, how much it translates into your account. Before you say, people say use 0.01 as a small account and 0.02 as a small account, ask yourself, 0.01 is how many percent of your account? 0.01 does not mean 1%. Get that and get it straight. If you don't get it right, don't worry, you understand. Now you're done with your demo account and you say, hey, I want to put my money inside. And somebody goes in, picks his school fees, because Sandy Lee Shays said he used his school fees from university to invest into the Forex market. So you go in, take all your savings because you want to double it and triple it to put it into the market. The market will look at you this way. Welcome home. What you are just going to do is to donate to the market. Your fixed deposits, most of the time, your first 6 months deposits, you are just going to donate to the market to learn. That is why everybody is encouraged to learn. So you are encouraged to start small. Take any money that you feel you can lose and you can dash out. You can burn, put it in there. So the fourth thing you should be doing is starting small. Now take the small account. And remember, this small account, you don't intend making millions out of it or making a living. You want to use this small account to learn. So you put it in there and then try to get the cycle and see how it goes. There's more to that, but just take it like that. If you want to get more of this, I'm going to go into detail, and I would like to plead with you, kindly subscribe. Did I tell you to subscribe? Yeah, subscribe, and on the bell, put on the bell button, and we are going to have more information on that. Trading psychology is for you to work on yourself to get to the standard of the market. You see, you learned how the market works in the first and second section. The third and fourth, you learned how to invest and how to manage your money. But I can tell you for a fact that if you don't get the fifth one right, all is trash. In Forex psychology, you are going to learn how to be disciplined, how to have patience, how not to be greedy, and how to blend all these three together in a trade. And this one, the truth of the matter is, nobody's going to teach you. You have to master it. Yes, I said it. You have to master it. And that means all the YouTube videos about Forex psychology and all that doesn't mean they're lying. Well, to some extent, yes. When it comes to Forex psychology, all the person can say is you have to be disciplined. But for you to be disciplined, nobody can teach you how to be disciplined unless you decide to be disciplined. This is a different level of it. This is just 5 points. And you see, you have to take time to take the Forex market from the scratch. Before you go into the Forex, you have to be financially stable, or at least invest in the right places before you get into Forex. That's one truth that a lot of people don't tell you. And that is why I have a video on how to manage your finance and where to invest properly. The link is going to be up there for you to check it out. Or I think here, yeah, it's going to be here for you to check it out, so that you can get your personal finances in check first. Then after that, you can decide to go into Forex fully. Please subscribe. Should I say please subscribe and put on the notification bell